What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have a case accessory for the Sony Xperia 10 Plus. Now this is from Tudia. This is their Tudia merch case, uniquely designed protective case. Now they do have this new packaging which I absolutely love. This is the one they have for the Xperia Sony 10 Plus. And now on the back they do have a couple features that they want us to mention. Is the dual layer shock absorbent TPU interior and a polycarbonate shell exterior. It does have clicky buttons, covered protection for buttons without any loss of responsiveness. That's always a plus in my book. And we do have military grade certified drop test standards. Now this is a military grade tested case. It's gonna suffer some minor drops and falls, which is great. And you make sure you follow them in all their social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbag this case and see how it looks on the Sony Xperia 10. Man, now the Tudia merch case is one of my favorite cases. You do have Tudia products merch right there, designed in the US, made in China. We do have this pattern in here for shock absorption, and you do have it as well along the edges for also shock absorption. On the back we do have that polycarbonate hard shell with the inner TPU. We do have Tudia branding there on the bottom. On the side we have some added rigids here for grip, anti-slip protection, and on the top and bottom we have our proper cutouts for our ports. Let's go ahead and slide this bad boy in here. Bam, look at that. Looks very good, very sleek. I'm loving this case right off the back for the Sony Xperia 10. Now let's power the device on and let's see if the fingerprint sensor is nicely accessible there. Now this is a lot better. If you saw my unboxing, one of the issues I had with the phone itself is the buttons are very flush to the body with not using a case. This right here is probably going to take care of that. As you can see, we do have very distinguished power button and volume up and down. Let's see if this cutout here affects the fingerprint sensor at all, and it does not. Let's try that again, and it does not. As you can see, you kind of do gotta press in there a little hard, but it unlocks it very nice and easily. Now the power button, very satisfying, very responsive, nice and clicky, as well as the volume up and down, very satisfying. It's more satisfying than without the case. Typically the case sometimes hinder the responsiveness of the volume and power button. In this case, it's the total opposite. It makes for a better experience. I actually like it even more. On the left side of the phone we have absolutely nothing. On the top, our cutouts are properly lined up, as well as the bottom. Great case. We do have some lip protection there, so your screen will be protected if it does take a fall. You do have a nice lip around the whole display there, and on the back we do have a lip around the camera cutout as well, so you are going to be protected there. Now this is the Tudia merch case. It's available on Amazon with Prime shipping, $8.90. You can't get better than that. It is available in 3 different colors. They do have a metallic slate, they have a rose gold, I think is what they called, and the mint color, and this matte black here. Awesome case, feels good, I love it. Tudia, best bang for your buck when it comes to cases. Link will be in the description below if you're interested in picking up a Tudia merch case for the Sony Xperia 10 Plus, also available for the regular version. Link will be in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.